Catherine Bernardo iniintriga, absent sa surprise birthday celeb ng ate. Tila absent ang kapamilya actress na si Catherine Bernardo sa naging surprise birthday celebration ng kanyang ate na ginanap sa kanyang pinagawang bahay. Base sa Instagram video na ibinahagi ni Mommy Min Bernardo kung saan magiliw nilang ipinagdiwang sa pamamagitan ng simpleng salo-salo ang kaarawan ng anak ay mapapansing wala ang dalaga. Pagbabahagi ng ina ni Catherine sa kanyang caption, "We managed to pull off a simple surprise birthday party for my eldest daughter with the help of the @jr_soata family. Everyone was genuinely happy, kahit sobrang limited lang ang time namin to prepare. And shocks, alam mo naman pag live may mga palpak, but it didn't matter because the joy was there. What made it extra special was that it turned into a mini reunion of the parents and kids who joined the World Hip Hop International Competition. Truly heartwarming moment. Makikita pang halos nakapambahay lang ang pamilya ni Catherine maging ang kanyang ate na si Chrysler.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,